Julien Leparoux with the last. They're in the gate. And they're off. Towards the inside, TC Champ got a good beginning. The grey Tactical Weapon is right up there, and it's TC Champ and Tactical Weapon, the first two. Call It the Blues also wants a piece of it, moving up now between rivals. Badger Barry to the outside is racing in fourth position and racing powerfully in the early stages. A break then of 3 lengths to Unjust. The back marker is Buckeye Buddy as they race now with just 5.5 furlongs ahead of them, and Tactical Weapon out wide has got the lead through a quarter of 22 and 4. To the inside, TC Champ is there in second. Break of a length and a half. Badger Barry stalking the pace, racing in third. Unjust making a move now to the inside has taken fourth. Call It the Blues back to fifth. Buckeye Buddy is last the 6, half a mile to go, and it's TC Champ on the inside, Tactical Weapon to the outside, a break still of a length and a half to the inner, Unjust on that one's outside, Badger Barry as they go to the far turn, now being ridden along back. In fifth position is Buckeye Buddy, and Call It the Blues is trailing last. Making the turn now back towards home, and it is TC Champ who's got the lead. Tactical Weapon there in second. Badger Barry third towards the outside, and now coming under a ride, and it's TC Champ taken on now by Badger Barry to the outside. Tactical Weapon trying to dig in between rivals. Towards the outside, Unjust is back in fourth. Racing down towards the final furlong. Badger Barry re-tackled by on the inside Tactical Weapon, but it's Badger Barry who's still holding the aces, but still the lead is only a neck. Tactical Weapon just won't go away, but he's second best today. Best on the day, Badger Barry. Badger Barry wins. Tactical Weapon in second. TC Champ for third, and in fourth, Unjust.